Dairy farming is a very profitable business. It gives you fresh milk and it can be profitable. In dairy farming, we raise cows for milk. Milk is a basic food, people of all ages like to drink it. Dairy farming requires hard work and dedication, but its fruit is sweet. You will provide a useful product and contribute to the country's food supply. Starting a dairy farm is a big decision. It is very important to plan carefully. You have to invest in the right resources. This guide will explain the entire process to you and help you turn your dairy farming dream into reality. Choosing the right location for your dairy farm is very important. The land should be suitable for grazing and there should be availability of water. Cows need space to roam, so the space should be sufficient. Also keep in mind the proximity to the market, as transportation costs can affect your profits. A location that is well connected makes it easy for buyers to come and go, which is important for selling your milk. Climate also plays an important role in milk production. Extreme weather can stress cows, which affects their milk production. To ensure the best possible conditions for your cows, choose a location where the climate is moderate. Choosing the right breed of cow is very important. Different breeds have different milk production capacities. Do your research and choose a breed that is right for your needs. Pay attention to factors like milk production capacity and resistance to diseases. Holstein cows are popular for their high milk production, while Jersey cows are known for the higher butterfat content in their milk. Keep your target market in mind and choose a breed that suits the preferences of your consumers. Before buying cows, get them checked to make sure they are healthy and getting the right food. Choose cows that are in good physical condition and show no signs of disease. Section 4. Building your dairy farm. How to create a comfortable and efficient dairy farm. Setting up the farm's infrastructure is very important as it creates a good environment for your cows. You will need a well-ventilated barn so that the cows get fresh air. Shelter is essential to protect cows from the sun and rain. The barn should be spacious so that the cows can roam comfortably. Invest in milking equipment. It makes the milking process efficient. Choose equipment that is right for the size of your herd so that everything runs smoothly. Ensure that the equipment is properly maintained for optimal performance. Cleanliness is very important in a dairy farm to keep cows healthy. Clean the barn and milking equipment regularly to prevent the spread of infection. This prevents the spread of diseases and keeps the cows healthy. A hygienic environment ensures the quality of the milk, which is beneficial for your business. Section 5. The art of dairy farming, feeding your cows and milking them. The right food is very important for proper milk production. Cows need a balanced diet. Provide them with high-quality fodder. Consult a veterinarian for a customized feeding plan. Create a regular milking schedule. Cows should be milked twice a day. Use proper milking techniques to avoid hurting the cows. Maintain hygiene during the milking process. Store the milk properly to keep it fresh. Use sanitized containers for storage. Refrigerate the milk immediately after milking. This prevents bacteria from growing. Section 6. From farm to table. Marketing and selling your dairy products. Once you have a steady supply of milk, you need to market it. Identify potential buyers in your area. These can be local stores or individuals. Build good relationships with customers. Provide them with consistently high-quality milk. Word-of-mouth marketing is very powerful. Satisfied customers will tell others about you. Think about diversifying your product range. You can make value-added products like cheese or yogurt. This can increase your profits and expand your customer base.